Holi, meaning the celebration of colors, is the most amicable festival in the nation, according to the locals. The Holika Dahan ceremony takes place the night before Holi, and it involves the burning of all negativity in a bonfire. On the main day, people dress up in organic colors and dance to the beats of live music to celebrate the festival. At the event, the specialties include gujia, mathri, and nandai, among others. In the Baj area of Mathura, the festival of Lathmar Holi is observed. Sticks were beaten against their husbands' shields as a kind of amusement. Offerings are offered to Kamadeva, the Indian god of love, who is revered throughout the southern hemisphere. The event is held in the Dwarkadhish temple in Dwarka, a seaside city in the Indian state of Gujarat. It is honored as a celebration of forgiveness and fresh beginnings, according to tradition. According to the Hindu lunar calendar, the festival of Vasant Chatra Navaratri marks the beginning of the new year. The festival lasts for 9 days in total. Gujarat has intriguing festivals in the form of fasting and the traditional folk dance, Gabra, which is performed across the state. The first 3 days are devoted to Ma Durga, goddess of energy, the next 3 to Ma Lakshmi, goddess of riches, and the last 3 are dedicated to Ma Saraswati, goddess of wisdom and knowledge of self, goddess of knowledge. The 9-day festival of Navratri comes to a close on Ram Navami.